Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing of the latest business series laptops announced by ASUS in India under the premium category, the ASUS ExpertBook series. So we have the ExpertBook with us. So this is a premium laptop offering for businesses from ASUS India, and we have the B series laptop, the B9450F. That's the code name, and we'll be doing a quick unboxing, and we'll be telling our first impressions of this ASUS ExpertBook. So these are new series of laptops intended for businesses under the B series as well as the P series. So B series is a bit more premium series, P is a bit more lesser in price. So we have the B series, and this is the premium laptop for businesses. So let's get started with unboxing and our first impressions of this laptop. So this is the new business laptops from ASUS, the B9450, and this is the box package. You can see the ASUS logo, the In Search of Incredible logo. Then you can see the back of the package, it's mentioned the ASUS ExpertBook, and the model name is B9450F. And we have the specs mentioned here. I'll just quickly read out the specifications. 14-inch IPS LCD panel. Then we have the Intel Core i7-10510U. That's processor, 1 TB of SSD. It's a Samsung's SSD. We'll talk about that later. It's a 16 gigs of RAM. It's an LPDDR3 RAM, and it's having Wi-Fi 6 and USB Type A port as well as USB Type C port, Thunderbolt support. Then Windows 10 Pro 64-bit, and it also has a power cord and accessory. It also comes with a sleeve included. So these are the features available, or rather the specifications. So let's open the box package. We are not really sure about the pricing as of now, so we'll update in the comment section. So opening up, let's see what comes inside. So just taking this out. So this is the ExpertBook. You can see that how lightweight and small the ExpertBook is. Even though it's a 14-inch laptop, this is very lightweight, and here you get a sleeve included. This is something which is quite good. ASUS has included a sleeve here. So here you can see it's a pretty good quality, and you can see that a soft material inside. So this should come handy in carrying this laptop. Then you get the charger. So this is the adapter. So it's an extremely small adapter. So this is the adapter included in the box package, and you can see the voltage rating, 20 volt 3.25 ampere, that's 65 watt charging. And then you have the regular 5 volt 3 ampere, 15 volt 3 ampere, and 9 volt 3 ampere. So all the output included. So very compact charger included, and it's a USB Type C charger. Again, pretty good from ASUS. Let's see what else comes inside this box. So this is the rest of the cable. Then you also get an RJ45 port. You can connect this. So if you want to use the LAN cable, you can use this. So that's all inside the box. Now let's open the main box. So this is the main box. You can see ASUS ExpertBook mentioned here. It's extremely lightweight, just 995 grams, which is incredible. And this is made of magnesium lithium alloy. And this is even lighter than the regular carbon fiber and magnesium aluminum alloy. So that's something which is really important. So this is just 995 grams. So let's open this package, and we'll show you what or rather how the device is. So it's very slim device. It's having the chassis of a 13-inch laptop with a display of 14 inches. So let's open this. So there you go. That's the beautiful looking ASUS ExpertBook. You can see that this is the B series ExpertBook, the business laptops. So let's just open this. So you can actually feel how lightweight it is. It's a matte finish and looks really beautiful. You have the ASUS logo as well. You can see extremely thin chassis. We have 2 Type C port, the Thunderbolt port, and then the full size HDMI port. And here we have the port for connecting the RJ45 port, and then you also get a USB Type A port here, and then you also have the 3.5mm audio jack, and LED notifications for charging as well as CPU usage. And you also get the Alexa support here. So this is something which there is a lighting here. There is also built-in Alexa support. So let's just take so before booting this laptop, let's see what else comes inside this box package. So you get the manual here. So this is the manual which is included. So that's all. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have an in-depth look at the laptop. So that's the new ExpertBook from ASUS, the business series laptop with the code name B9450. It's a notebook PC, and it is powered by the Intel Core i7 10th gen processor, 16 gigs of RAM, that's a DDR3 RAM, and then you get 1 TB of SSD, that's a Samsung's SSD. So you can see that this is made of matte finish, and it's a magnesium lithium alloy, and it is incredibly lightweight, just 995 grams, less than a kilo in weight. And as I said before, the ports and everything I have mentioned here. So it's very lightweight, it's easy to carry around. And let's just open this. You can see that we'll just show you by opening. So you can actually open it with just one hand, you don't have to use both the hands. And this has the ErgoLift hinge. You can actually see the ErgoLift hinge. So this is how it works. So you can see here, closer look, that's how the folding mechanism works. So there you go. You can see it raises the laptop by a small angle to give a good feel overall while typing. So that's the ExpertBook. So now you can see that the keyboard is well spaced, the keyboard looks pretty good. Let's just power on this laptop. So now we have booted the ASUS ExpertBook, and you can see that the keyboard layout looks really nice. Typing is pretty good. The key press looks pretty good. The travel of the keys is also really good, and the trackpad, you can see that there is a number pad also included. The screen pad, what ASUS calls, you can see that the screen pad, you can use this as a number key because the number keys are on the top. You can use this as a number pad as well. So you can just turn this off as well. We have this option to turn it off. You can just tap here and enable it. So that's how it works. So you also get a really good display here. You can see it's a matte finish display. It's a pretty vibrant and colorful display as well. Extremely thin chassis. You can see here the bezels are extremely narrow. The top bezel has the camera unit. Now the webcam has an important aspect. You can see that there is a slider which will actually disable or close the webcam. So even if some apps are accessing your camera, when you slided it, the access will be disabled. That's something which is pretty good. So you can just drag this and disable the camera access. So now talking about the other hardware aspect, this is military grade laptop with shockproof protection, and this has a matte finish. You can also see the design is quite good here. You can see that the keypad or rather the keyboard is slightly lowered from the main frame, which gives it a good feel altogether. You can see here slightly lowered, and we have a large touchpad which also acts as the number pad. You can see that you can just enable this number pad, and you also get a fingerprint scanner here. This is the fingerprint scanner, and we have the Intel branding. ExpertBook is mentioned here, power button here, and it also has the Harman Kardon stereo speakers. Now talking about the trackpad, this is a large trackpad. We can use the number pad as well. So it works pretty well, and the keyboard is actually good. We'll just type something here. So you can see that while typing, the key presses are pretty good, solid feedback from the keys, and you also get a backlit keyboard. We can adjust the brightness here, and looks quite good, and the display also looks really nice, and the chassis is really strong, and the hinge mechanism works pretty well. The display quality is again really good. It's a matte finish display and works pretty well. So this is the basic information about the PC. We have the Windows 10 Pro version. Then Intel Core i7 10510U CPU, then 16 gigs of RAM. This is a soldered RAM, and you also get a 64-bit operating system. So this is the PC information. So 16 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of hard disk space. So we'll just show you that as well. So two partitions, each of around 572 gigabyte, and one is of 380 gigabyte. So completely together you get around 1 TB of hard disk space. So it's a Samsung's SSD. So Samsung SM981 SSDs are included. Two of them are there, and this also comes with 24 hours battery life. That's what ASUS claims. ASUS claims that the display is calibrated so that the usage of the display, the battery usage is minimalized, and as a result you get almost like 24 hours of claimed battery life, We'll have to test that to see whether the claim is really good, but ASUS claims that this is something which is really good in the laptop. Now overall we feel this is a pretty good offering. We are not really sure about the pricing as of now, so we'll update once the pricing has been announced. So while making this video, the prices are not yet announced. So overall this looks like a neat offering for businesses. Extremely lightweight, just 995 grams, and pretty slim as well. You get all the basic ports, Thunderbolt port, full size HDMI port, then you also have a USB Type A port, 3.5mm audio jack is also included. Then this does not have the SD card slot, which is quite understandable. For businesses, SD card is not a really priority. Then it also comes with a built-in Alexa support that is also included. So this LED light is for Alexa usage. So you can use Alexa's voice state at a glance without needing to look at the display for visual cue. So this is the Alexa light, and this is pretty neat and well integrated into the laptop. Now internals are really nice. Actually it is pretty lightweight as well. That's something which ASUS has managed to do with this laptop. So it also comes with Wi-Fi 6 support, and here are the benchmark score of the SSD. So we'll be doing the detailed review later, so at that time we'll have a more closer look at the SSD value. So this is the benchmark scores of the laptop. So ASUS is also offering few apps. My ASUS app is included. Then you also get the color calibration app, charging mode app, then you can control the fan speed. Apart from that, there is also Wi-Fi optimization. Then My ASUS app, as I said before, there is also an app to sync your smartphone with the laptop. So these are intended for business users. Then wireless file transfer app is also included. Then instant QR code file transfer is also there. So a lot of interesting apps are included with this ASUS ExpertBook. So on the whole, the top highlights of ASUS ExpertBook B9450 are its lightweight of 995 grams. Then thickness is just 1.5 centimeter, and this has all the ports. There is no major compromise on any ports. That's something which ASUS has done pretty well. Then it has 66 watt-hour battery, and it can last up to 24 hours in continuous usage, again which is really impressive for this laptop. So this is the new ASUS ExpertBook series, really premium offering for businesses. So we'll be doing a detailed review later. So this is the unboxing and our first impression. So overall it looks like a really good laptop, and we'll have to get to know the pricing later. Once it is announced, we'll update in the comment section. So that is unboxing and hands-on with the ASUS ExpertBook laptops launched in India. So hope this video was useful. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.